Hey guys, it's Jessa here. I've got a quick tutorial just to show you how to update your shop announcement. So usually in a shop you'll see there's this little area up here where you can add a little bit of text and sort of some information. If you have any offers, you can definitely pop them in there. You can add some help videos, things like that. You might want to add a link to your lead magnet. It's very easy to add this, so I'm going to show you what to do. I'm just going to grab this as an example. I'm going to go back to my brown sugar store. So as you can see, I don't have a store announcement set up here. So this is my brown sugar store. I'm ready to add an announcement just in here. So to do that, I just go to my dashboard. Then down the side, I select settings. I go to info and appearance. And then you can see there's a section just down here called shop announcement. And this is where I can add in a little bit of text. So if I go save changes and I go back to my storefront, hit refresh, you can see there is now an announcement here. And something that I really like to do on my store announcements is sort of put like this little bit that's like, read this first. And that sort of draws their attention, so they click that and they read more and they get that full announcement. So that's really good to do. I hope this was helpful. This is actually part of a series that I am doing on Etsy, so I will link to the playlist just here. If you like what you saw and it was handy and you want to learn more about marketing and digital products and all things passive income, I put out new videos every single week, so definitely subscribe. I will see you guys around. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.